in a tiny village nestled between two great mountains, there lived a little rabbit named Fluffy. Fluffy loved to explore, and one day she stumbled upon a hidden path she had never seen before. The path was winding and led her through a forest filled with tall trees that seemed to whisper to each other in the gentle breeze. As she hopped along, the trees grew taller and the air sweeter, filled with the scent of honey and flowers. Fluffy's curiosity was piqued, and she quickened her pace, her little heart beating with excitement. Suddenly, the trees parted, and she found herself in a beautiful meadow, filled with colorful butterflies and buzzing bees. In the center of the meadow stood an enormous tree, its branches stretching towards the sky like giant arms. Fluffy felt drawn to the tree, and as she approached, a soft voice called out to her. It was the tree, speaking to her in a gentle rumble. The tree told Fluffy that it was the guardian of the meadow and had been watching her. It asked Fluffy why she had come to this magical place. Fluffy explained that she was just exploring and had never seen anything so beautiful. The tree smiled and said that it had a special task for her. A baby bird had fallen from its nest, and the tree needed Fluffy's help to return it home. Fluffy eagerly agreed, and together with the tree, they carefully placed the baby bird back into its nest high up in the branches. The mother bird was overjoyed to be reunited with her baby and thanked Fluffy and the tree for their kindness. As a reward, the tree gave Fluffy a special gift, a small crystal that would allow her to communicate with all creatures in the forest. Fluffy was thrilled and promised to use her new gift wisely. With a heart full of joy and a newfound sense of purpose, Fluffy returned to her village, eager to share her incredible adventure with her friends. From that day on, Fluffy used her gift to help those in need, and the village prospered under her care, becoming a haven of friendship and harmony among all its inhabitants, big and small.